Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you an update. We're a little bit behind, so I apologize. This is the 1974 Ford Gran Torino. Previous video and previous videos to this, I kept calling it a 75 incorrectly. So it's a 74 Torino. It's going to be a Starsky Hutch tribute car. We missed a video, unfortunately. The crew was working quicker than I could keep up with them. So in a previous video, we had the same body on the rotisserie, and we were just ready to sandblast it. So we've missed the step of sharing with you what it looked like after we sandblasted it, and now it's epoxied. So what they've been doing is we're getting ready, so you can see on the bottom here, if the camera person can kind of give you a pan view, there was a couple of other patches that we had to do underneath after we sandblasted it. There was a couple of spots that just snuck through a little bit. Simple patches. So the guys repaired those, ground all the welds smooth, and then we blew all the sand off and out. And you can see there's some green masking tape there that they started setting up along the back. The camera person moves over just to show you that hump part. So there's the part here in the floor, but then there's back here you can see. So they're getting ready to, what they're doing is they're masking all of the areas that we're going to do the factory look seam sealer. And then we're doing some body work here in the wheel wells and flares in the lower sections. You can see down, so that's the driver's side rocker panel at the back. There's some body smoother there that they just put the first coat on. And then there's some body smoother in the back, which is behind the tire on the driver's side, where we did a lot of metal work there. So we want to smooth those areas out first. And this epoxy is a commercial grade, industrial type of epoxy. It's a two-part. It's very, very strong. And you've got 72 hours from when it's applied that the pores stay open. So that's why they're getting everything ready now. They're doing some of the body smoother work. They'll do it on both inner and outer rocker panels. So they'll get that nice and smooth. They'll sand all that down. And then they'll apply the seam sealer all the way around, and then they'll get ready to paint the bottom. So the whole bottom of the car is going to be the same color as the body. It's a custom red. We already have it. We've got our mixing station here. So this is our prep room. So what we'll do is we do all the prep here, and then I'll go over to the booth, and it will get the bottom painted red. So they'll do the firewall and the complete bottom. It'll be the correct color. And then what we can do is then we'll be able to place it back onto the frame, which is all ready for it. And then we can continue the body work after the bottom is painted. So this is the 1974 Ford Gran Torino Starsky Hutch tribute car. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.